Kasama po natin ang ating Grow Negosyo guest ngayong tanghali, ang founder at owner ng Heritage Finds Clothing, si Miss Kathleen Kissy Sumailo Perlman. Ayan, Miss Kissy.
Hello.
Good morning.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng viewers and listeners ng show
DZMM
niyo.
po. Dito
ng
po sa
DZMM,
nagseservisyo.
Miss Nina.
Alright, Miss Kissy, itong Heritage Finds Clothing, kailan po ito nag-umpisa?
Well, I'd say that our beginnings was around 2022. We kind of soft launched it.
Pandemic ata yun, ha?
Yes po.
Oo.
It was like towards the end of the pandemic. But I think the backstory really happened way before that. So parang yun na yung culmination na, this is the time I need to do it. It's now or never.
Okay, so tell us why.
So my maternal family is from Abra, they're Itneg, from the Itneg indigenous group. So they've been working on indigenous heritage preservation around lost traditions, arts, and culture. So we were in the background helping with proposals nila with NCCA. But sadly, my uncle and my my aunt passed away, no? And I thought I would step in to kind of continue their work.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear, ano?
Yes.
Oo.
Kaya heritage.
Yes.
Finds.
Yan,
Oo,
kaya
at saka
heritage.
finds. So parang
Oo.
iba-iba ba yan or just
Oo.
clothing?
Ang major po namin products are apparel. We're starting to go into accessories and bags, which is at a testing phase pa. And we carry...
Pwede nyo pakita, ma'am. Kahit
Yeah,
isang
gusto
sample.
namin makita sa mga
Oo.
nanonood ng teleradyo.
Sige.
Ano po yung nasa taas, ma'am?
At
So,
PRTV.
Pwede
ito
po
po.
kunin.
So,
Oo.
we have a mix of new materials. So, we're working now with pineapple fibers, which we mix with binakol. Yung
Patingin,
inabel.
sige, ganyan
Pwede
mo.
nung i-show and
Oo.
tell,
So,
ma'am.
ito po.
Oh, ganda.
So, these are our new ones that we just
Yan ba yung
recently
galing sa
launched.
PTRI?
Yes po.
PTNRI?
We're working with a textile startup now to
Okay.
test these products. So ito na yung mga certified PTFs,
Yes.
Philippine Tropical Fabrics.
Yes.
So we're testing it. It's in a number of designs like the kimono, the jacket that I'm
I
wearing.
really like yung pineapple fiber na yan na parang denim. Hindi ba makate?
May slight roughness
Oo.
siya. So it depends on the weave. So there's a plain weave and there's a
Oo.
twill. So if you're hindi naman makati but if sensitive, we have a series of jackets that are lined.
Okay.
So if you don't want anything like a little rough on your skin. And then we
pa?
have a more classic basically the inabel, parang they call it the abrati abel. Which are, this one is woven in Ilocos, in Ilocos Sur.
Ilocos.
They specialize in pinilian there. And then, these ones are woven in Abra. So, ito yung tinatawag na po nilang Abra Tiabel. I think there's slight differences in the design from Ilocos. And then, it has Itneg embroidery. So, because my family is from Itneg, I'm really also drawn to the heritage embroidery, no?
Yung mga yan are, alam mo, Migs, those are hand-sewn.
Wow.
Kamay, no?
Kamay talaga.
So, hindi machine.
Aha.
So, yun kasi ngayon ang problema, no? Ang nakakalaban mo yung mga dumaan sa machine na mga embroidery.
Yes.
Pero ang kagandahan nito ay pinaghirapan, hindi ho ba?
Yes, opo. At saka I think
Matagal
it
yung
also
gawin,
links
oo.
to the story of the community as well. Tsaka yung evolving traditions din. So hindi naman static po yung may interpretations din yung mga bagong artisans natin na gumagawa nito since also encouraging young embroiderers, young weavers to continue this craft.
So,
Patingin
ma'am,
yan. Yeah, sige,
Ito
Migs,
po.
go.
Yan.
Habang
Ito yung
pinapakita.
parang
Pakita lang
namin
natin.
answer to
Malalaki
the
yan,
barong. Yes po.
Oo.
So this is like
Bagay
easy
sa'yo,
to wear. So bagay po sa inyo, sir.
Mm.
So if you wanna skip the barong for one of your meetings.
Tsaka medyo oversized no? Yun
Yes.
yung mga hip ngayon di ba? Oo.
Pwede
Yeah.
rin
Outside
sa
to-
girl yan eh.
Yeah,
Oo.
pwede rin po
Sa-
to.
Galing, oo.
So this one po, it's light, it's medium weight. So madali po siyang isuot to some of your events. So, ito po yung parang isang sa mga
Ganda.
classic collection namin, no. So, these are cotton threads that they would individually stitch
So,
onto
opo.
the...
So, sino, ma'am, sino po ang mga natutulungan natin?
So, ngayon po, we have two major communities in Abra Province. So, we have the weaving communities. They're based across 2 or 3 municipalities. Right now, we have 5 artisan households, which has about an average of 30. So, with 150 na mga weavers. And then we also have yung mga embroiderers that are practicing this type of embroidery. They're mostly from Peñarubia. So itneg sila, they're from the tribe, but they're also now encouraging other young people in and around the community to start taking this up. So directly and indirectly, we're working with about 200 artisans from the embroidery community alone.
Mhm,
Ayun.
yun.
So, okay. Ano pa po yung nandyan? May nakita akong beading eh.
Yes,
Oo,
opo.
yun yung para siyang sa Tivoli, pero
Yes.
ano yan eh?
As
sa
an
north.
homage naman to my
Ano naman
Mindanaoan
yun?
roots.
Mindanao, oo.
So we have Visayan blood naman from my dad's side. So Ozamis and then I'm also deeply attracted to these beadwork by the Bagobo naman taga Bawat tribe. So these are some of these.
Saan nga ba yung Bagobot? tribe?
They're in the Davao region.
Okay.
So they're known for their intricate beadwork. At saka may specific patterns around diamonds, scallops that are a little different naman from the beadwork of, say, the Tiboli. So, ito po, what we did is a fusion of material. So, it's denim with woven material, no? And to make it a bit more modern.
Oo.
Nasabi nyo kanina na parang dapat ko nang simulan. Bakit? Ano ba yung, kahit quick backstory lang, and then eventually, pinursue na po ito?
Prior to me going in as a fashion entrepreneur, nasa development work po ako, no? So, I do work with government around policies and programs. Mas marami na rin po ako naging interactions with indigenous communities dito sa Pilipinas at saka po sa Southeast Asia. So, nasa Cambodia and Nepal din po ako. So, isa sa mga nakita ko talaga na problema is yung lack of representation ng indigenous identity sa mainstream society, no? Whether it be fashion, art, politics. So for me, this is a way of making them visible through wearable art. And I think people really like the product because they learn of the story. So when it's wearable, they can touch it. It's tactile, and then it's easier to convey that story of why it's important to make indigenous heritage visible and a part of our mainstream appreciation of,
Everyday
of
life.
society.
Yes.
So, hindi na lang siya costume kasi ngayon eh. Ayaw natin
Hindi,
yan na
oo.
parang gagamitin mo lang sa special events. Although, of course, it's encouraged.
Yes po.
But imagine if it's part of your daily life. Like sa ibang bansa, di ba, they're so proud.
Yes.
Sa India, yung kanilang silk, di ba? Sa Vietnam, sa Thailand, di ba?
Oo.
So, why not dito rin sa ating bayan? So, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsulong sa gawa ng Pilipino, lalo na yung gawang kamay. Feeling ko kasi as time goes by, nawawala yung mga ganitong mga produkto eh. Kaya, sana tumaas pa yung value at saka appreciation sa mga gawa ng kamay. At
Yeah.
dito sa ating bayan, di ho ba? So, maraming salamat.
Salamat
saan
din
ba
po.
namin mabibili ang Heritage
Yes,
Finds?
we're online and we have retail partners. We're in soon be in Spasio at Opus Mall. We are at Ayala Land, Vertis North. We have a small space there. And then at Frankie General Store and Roots
yes.
Collective. So if you're ever in the area po, you can find us in those retail
Outlets,
platforms po.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Maraming salamat, Miss Kissy Sumailo Perlman, ang founder and owner ng Heritage Finds Clothing. Josti Aguina. Salamat po.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.